Okay, good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. From 2 classes onwards, we are learning about computers, isn't it? In first lesson, we have learned about the devices, input device and output devices, and how to work with those. What are the input devices and output devices? What is the outcome? How to enter the data? All those we have watched. In second lesson, we have learned about different computer viruses. So, what are the malwares and how to get rid of those using antivirus software. So after that, in third lesson, now we are going to learn about enhancing the presentation. What is our third lesson? Enhancing the presentation. What is the presentation? So which software we use? Presentation is nothing but we want to convey. If we want to convey anything to others, that time we will make any presentation. Maybe our pictures. Using pictures you can make a presentation, or with the data, with the information you can make the presentation. For seminars or for any meetings, they will give different slideshows. Slideshows they will give and they will explain about those. Those are the presentations. Okay, MS PowerPoint is used to do those presentations, to give those presentations. So from 4th class onwards we are learning about Microsoft PowerPoint, isn't it? So in 4th class we have learned the components. What are the components and what are the options in file tab. So in 5th class we have learned how to insert the audio, photo albums, all those. So now we will learn about the enhancing the presentation. So how to enhance your presentation. How we can enhance our presentation? By displaying with different colors or adding some text to that, adding some background audio, and how so to present it very impressively. Okay, na? So like that, by giving some transitions and animations, we can enhance our presentation. Okay, what is our lesson name? Enhance presentation. Enhancing the presentation. So presentation means it is a PowerPoint presentation. So what is the application used to give presentations? MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is used to give presentations. In this we have different versions. 2010 we are learning, and I have shown in 2013 in the system. Okay, because updates in your textbook, it is updated version is there. So in that version I have shown all the components and how to add pictures, how to collect pictures. How to collect pictures means we can go to the internet and we can download those pictures, or you can copy, save those pictures in one folder. Or if you have any photograph, that you can copy from the camera into your system. So or if you want to write anything in the slides, just you have to add the text box and write any information, whatever you want to convey, that information you can write in the slides. Okay. So in PowerPoint it has slides. On the slides we will display whether it is any picture, it may be any picture or any image. Picture means any photo or any image we can, or any text we can, or any audio files we can display, and video file also you can display. Okay. So on slide we can display all this. So you can prepare with anything, with photos you can prepare, with the images you can prepare, you can write some text or any audio file or any video file you can keep, and at the background we can record our voice also using rehearsal timings. Using record slideshow or rehearsal timings, you can record your voice at the background, and you can add audio at the background, and so you can give some different transitions and timings for the slideshow, and you can add some animations. So all these are on the menu bar. Okay, on menu bar we have all these options. So I will explain all these. Menu bar. So on the menu bar we have all this, and in the file tab we will know how to open new one and open an existing, and how to save any presentation with some name. Okay. So all this I will explain in the system so that you can understand and remember better. Okay children. So how to give the slides. After preparing all the slides, we have to play the slideshow. So slideshow we have to play without touching your mouse, without any mouse click. Just we can play those slides one by one by giving the timings in these transitions. Okay, so that we can play slideshow. So for this we can use F5 shortcut key also to display the slides. Okay, so you have the idea in 4th class and 5th class, and I show all this, how to record your voice, how to insert the audio at background, and what are the transitions, animations you have, and how to save your presentation. And I took some images, some pictures, and I will insert those. I will prepare one photo album. So if you have many pictures, if you have some 1 or 2 or less than 10 pictures, then you can copy one by one. Otherwise, we can insert the photo album. At a time, all the pictures you have to select and you can insert it directly. Is it easy? Isn't it? If you have 100 pictures, that time we will create one photo album. After that, we can make changes to it and we can add audio at the background. Okay, I will show you all this in the system. I will create one photo album and I will show you how to select those pictures also from internet and how to play it at the background. Slideshow also I will show you, and after that recording your voice at the background for 2 or 3 slides I will show you. Okay children, after watching this you will get an idea on a presentation, how to do a presentation, how to give the slideshow. So without you can explain, at the background you can record, at the background you can insert some audio, directly you can play it. Okay, whatever you want to convey, instead of telling it, at the background if you record it, the voice also played with your slide. Okay, that is your, these are the different ways you can enhance the presentation. Okay children, let us start. Yeah, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about MS PowerPoint, Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So this is used to make presentations, isn't it? So that we will learn now, how to make presentations. Okay, PowerPoint. See, I am showing you 2013 version, PowerPoint 2013. So we will select one blank presentation. Okay. So this one. So all these the components we have learned in 4th class, isn't it? See this. So here the title bar. On this title bar you have this save button, undo, redo, and this is the slideshow. So here the name of the presentation is displayed here. Till now we haven't saved, that's why it is presentation 1, and the minimize, maximize, close buttons are there. Next is menu bar. So on this menu bar, file, home, insert, design, transition, animations, all are there. Okay, in file you have new option, open, save, save as. So when you click new, so you will get new PowerPoint window. Okay, next open already existing one. See here recent presentations are there now. So if you click open, you click here, whatever the presentation you want to open, those will be opened here. Next save, by giving some name we will save this presentation. At last we will save that. Okay, next go back. So in this insert we have this new slides you can insert, table you can insert, and the pictures you can insert, screenshots, photo albums, shapes. See, shapes, different shapes are there now. All these shapes you can insert. You can insert text also and word arts. So all this we can insert. This audio and video also we can insert on the slide. Okay, we can insert in the presentation. Next design. So see how many designs are there. For one slide you can select any design from these. Okay. Next transition. So these are the different transitions for a slide. So next animations. So these are animations we can give. So whenever you select one slide, these will be highlighted. Okay, all these animations, split, wipe, shape, float in, fly in, all this we can select. Okay, that also we'll see. Okay, slideshow. After preparing all the presentation, we can give the slideshow. Okay. So on mouse click you can give, or automatically we can select. Okay, in transitions we can select the sound. Here different sounds are there now. All these sounds, any one sound you can select, or other sound, whatever. If you download anything from internet, that also you can select here. Okay, so in insert we have this audio. See here, in 5th class we have learned to insert video and audio. So this audio also we can insert. If you download any audio file, MP3 file, that you can add here, that you can insert here. Okay, when you click on this audio, you will get the audio files here. So I downloaded some audio files here to show you. So from those files we can select any one and we can add here. Okay, now that also I will show you. Okay, let us start here. So among these pictures we can select any one picture and we can save in our folder. See, like this. Right click, save image as. This image I will save here. Like that you can create the folders with whatever the pictures you want. Okay. So I will close this internet, and here. Next we came to PowerPoint. So in this we have so many pictures in the folder now, this one. So instead of copying each and every image and pasting there, just we will create the photo album. So in 4th class and 5th class we have this PowerPoint. So instead of copy, see here you have to copy each and every picture and you have to paste there. So like this. So instead of doing this, we will create one photo album. So paste, it comes here. Okay, na? So instead of this, we will insert one picture, photo album. See here, photo album, new photo album. So file or desk you have to select from which file you want, that you have to select. Here from folders, flowers folder, I am selecting all the pictures. To select all, Control A and insert it. Okay, see. And after this, you have to click on create button, create photo album. See here, all the pictures are displayed here. So with all those pictures, the photo album is ready for you. Okay. For this we will make changes. We will give transitions, animations, and we will add audio also for that. Okay. So here you can insert the text. Photo album, flowers photo album we will give. Flowers. Okay, I will cut this. Okay, flowers photo album by HP, that is system. It gives name. Okay, by. Okay, I will write my name. Okay, na? So like that you can write your name and you can create any photo album there. See, like this. And these are the pictures inserted here. And you can make changes. You can increase its size or decrease the size, or you can add some text. This is rose flower now. You can insert one text box here and you can write rose. Isn't? See, text box. This is the text box here, and you can insert the text box. Here you can increase the size. Size also you can increase, and you can write rose there. So its name you can write, or whatever you want to describe, that also you can write. Okay. Size also you can increase. 20 only, I increased 40 size. You can increase the size also here. Like this. Okay. So you can insert text also. For each and every slide I am not inserting. For your understanding I am showing this. Okay, now you can insert this also. Text, and here you have different shapes. Those also you can insert whatever you want. Okay. Next one is transitions. So for all the slides you can give different transitions. See, cut, see, fade, push, wipe, split. See here, yeah, changes are given. See, observe the changes here. Random bars, shape, okay, uncover, like that. You have different effect options. So all this you can set here. Next coming to audio. So here audio, we can insert audio. I said now you can insert the audio on my PC. From PC I am inserting this. Okay, I have selected some files, some MP3 files here. So I am inserting that file. Okay, you can also same go to the internet and select one audio MP3 files, audio file, and you copy somewhere. So I copied in my folder my name, and here I copied that only I am inserting for you. Okay, so this one I will select insert. Okay, now for all slides that will be inserted. So when you insert any audio, so you will get audio options here. So this one I inserted, insert. So see here, these are the tools, audio tools here. See, here you can play in background. So when you click on that, play across slides, loop until stop, hide during show. So loop until stopped. That means until the slides, all the slides completed, till then it will be played. Okay, now? So that we will see now. Okay, after adding audio, in transition I set here after 3 seconds. Okay, now we will see the slideshow from beginning. The next one is record slideshow. Here start recording from beginning and start recording from current slide. So from beginning we will take start recording. Here see record. So this one, this slide is the background for it is recording. Okay, next I will close. For another slide we will take, okay, record slideshow. So start from current slide. To start recording we will start. So these are the flowers. Like this we can record our voice for the slides. Again I stop here and another slide I will take. Now for that also record from current slide. So this is rose flower. Okay, we like its fragrance. Okay, now so like this we can record the volume, record our voice at the background. Okay, when you play it in the slideshow, that time it will be played. Okay, now I stopped here. We'll go to slideshow. Now I will start the slideshow here. See from beginning.
Here say record. So this one, the slide is the background. For it is record. See, start. So these are the flowers. Like this we can record our voice for the slides. So this is rose flower. Okay, we like its fragrance. Okay, na? So like this we can record the volume, record our voice at the background. Okay, when you play it in the slideshow, that time it will be.
Okay children, hope you all understood. We have learned the components and how to select the pictures and how to create a photo album, how to add the audio at the background and how to record our voice with the slides. Okay, so all these are the different things we can use to enhance our presentation. Okay.